Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Higher Mathematics. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss next PYQ of real analysis asked in Csirnet 2023. So our question is, which of the following sequence an satisfy the following identity? Limit n tends to infinity, supremum of an is equals to minus of limit n tends to infinity, infimum of an is equals to 1 upon n for all, and an is equals to minus 1 to the power n, 1 plus 1 upon n for all n, an is equals to 1 plus minus 1 to the power n upon n for all n, or option D, an is an enumeration of all rational number in minus 1 and 1. So here we have to see which of the following options satisfy this identity. So we will see one by one. If taking option A, limit n tends to infinity 1 upon n is equals to 0. So here 0, here supremum and infimum is equals to 0 because limit is unique. So here supremum is equals to infimum is equals to 0. So here 0 is equals to minus of 0. This condition is satisfied, so this option is correct. Now we'll see second option. Here an is divided into odd and even. If n is even, then 1 plus 1 upon n, and odd, then 1 plus n upon n minus of this. So as n tends to infinity, this is equals to 1, and at n tends to infinity, this is equals to 1 and minus 1. So here the supremum is 1 and the infimum is minus of 1. This satisfies this condition, so this option is also correct. Now see, an is equals to, again we will divide into even and odd, 1 minus 1 upon n and 1 plus 1 upon n. If n is odd and n even, here we see if limit apply and tends to infinity is 0, it is 1 and it is also 1. So this condition is not apply here because only 1 is the limit, that is supremum and infimum both. So this does not satisfy this condition, this option is wrong. Now we'll apply now in fourth option, this interval is given as the lower limit of this interval is a limit infimum and the upper limit is the limit supremum. So here limit infimum is minus 1 and limit supremum 1. This is satisfy this condition, so this option is also correct. So option A, B and D are correct option. This is the question based on supremum and infimum and limit concept. So this is a solution of this question. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button, and for more such video you can subscribe my channel. Thank you.